Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best G-Shock band is probably one of the most essential accessories for your favorite timepiece. Over time, the original band may wear out, break, or simply not match your style anymore. In this video, we'll dive into the world of replacement bands, exploring various materials, designs, and features to help you find the perfect fit for your G-Shock watch and your wrist. Let's find the ideal band to refresh your watch and elevate your style. Number 5. Fullmosa Leather Watch Strap. This is the Fullmosa Leather Watch Strap. It's a quick-release band designed for both men and women. It comes in various widths to fit your watch perfectly. The 24mm strap is compatible with many watch models, including Sunto and Fossil. Check the description for a complete list to ensure it fits your watch. Made from genuine leather, this strap is comfortable and durable. The classic design makes it suitable for any occasion, and the reinforced lining ensures it will last. The quick-release function allows you to change the band in seconds. A tool is included to help you remove your old band easily. The strap is designed to fit most wrists. With multiple eyelets, you can adjust it for the perfect fit. Measure your watch lugs before ordering to ensure the correct size. The package includes the leather watch band, a spring bar tool, and a quality control card. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This band is crafted from genuine leather, offering both style and comfort. Its quick-release design allows for effortless band changes in seconds. If you're looking for a versatile band that complements any occasion and offers a perfect fit, you should consider this one. What people say. The band fits perfectly and is easy to install. The replacement band is exactly what I needed and looks great. The band is a perfect fit and looks just like the original. Number 4. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for Fitbit Versa 2, Black. Introducing the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro watch band, designed specifically for your Fitbit Versa 2. This band offers superior protection and a stylish look. The raised bezel on this band protects your Fitbit screen from scratches. It is made with durable materials to absorb shocks. Precise cutouts ensure you have access to all your Fitbit's features and buttons. Installation is quick and easy. Made with high-grade polycarbonate and TPU, this band provides excellent shock absorption. A stainless steel buckle adds extra security. The metal buckle keeps the band securely in place, even during intense activities. Get ready to take on any sport with confidence. What we like. This band features a raised bezel to protect your watch screen from scratches. Made with durable materials, it provides superior shock absorption. If you're an active individual who needs robust protection for your Fitbit Versa 2 during sports or daily activities, it's a great choice. What people say. The casing around the watch face is very strong. The watch band is very comfortable, fits a range of sizes and seems to be very sturdy. It is rugged in design and in materials. Number 3. Casio Watch Band Loop Replacement, 18mm, 20mm, 22mm, 24mm. Are your watch band loops cracked or missing? This is a common problem. Fortunately, this product offers a simple solution. This replacement loop is designed specifically for Casio watch bands. It's a perfect fit to secure your watch strap. This product comes in a variety of sizes, including 18mm, 20mm, 22mm, and 24mm. You can find the perfect fit for your watch. Installing this replacement is easy. You can quickly restore your watch band to its original condition. Each package includes 3 replacement loops. This provides you with spares for future use. With this replacement, your watch strap will stay securely in place. It's a simple, effective way to maintain your watch. What we like. This is a simple yet essential accessory for your watch band. Made from durable materials, it ensures a secure fit for your watch. If you've lost or damaged your original keeper loop and need a reliable replacement, this is perfect for you. What people say. Fit my G-Shock GWG B1000 perfectly. It is so much better than the metal keeper that was originally on the band. Also, having the tool to take the buckle off was another great thing about this order. It is a perfect fit for the original Casio watch band, and it is made out of the exact same resin as the original strap keeper. Item even came with a spring bar removal tool. Number 2. Lijinlan Nylon Strap for Casio G-Shock DW 5600 Series. Tired of the old strap? This replacement is designed specifically for your Casio G-Shock. It's a perfect fit and will give your watch a fresh new look. Made from high-quality nylon, this strap is built to last. It's tough, comfortable, and can withstand daily wear and tear. You can count on it. This strap fits a wide range of G-Shock models, including DW 5600E, DW 5600, DW 5600BB, DW 5700, DW 6900, GW 5610, and DW D5500 series. Check the model number on the back of your watch to ensure compatibility. Installing this strap is a breeze. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. You'll have your watch looking brand new in minutes. Give your watch a stylish upgrade with this nylon strap. It's a simple way to change the look of your watch and express your personal style. Get yours today. What we like. This replacement strap is made from durable nylon, perfect for everyday wear. It's designed to fit a variety of Casio G-Shock models. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install band for your classic G-Shock, this is an excellent option. What people say. Material, webbing and hardware are good. Nothing is fraying after a few months of wear. Comfortable, more so than the rubber strap. Relatively easy to install. Exact fit for G-Shock 5600. Fit my solar square perfectly. Really adds to the red screen colors with a nice pop. So far this NATO has been very durable with no unraveling or pilling of any kind during daily wear. Pretty easy to install if you're used to using a spring bar tool. Number 1. Lijinlan G-Shock Watch Bands Replacement. Are you looking to refresh your G-Shock watch? This replacement band is the perfect solution. It's designed to give your watch a new look and feel. Made with ballistic nylon, this strap is built to last. It's tough, durable, and ready for anything. You can count on it to withstand daily wear and tear. This replacement band is compatible with a wide range of G-Shock models. Whether you have a GW100 or a DW6900, it's designed to fit seamlessly. Installation is easy, and it will fit perfectly. Not only is it durable, but it also looks great. The design adds a touch of style to your watch. It's a great way to personalize your watch while ensuring it's ready for any adventure. Replacing your old band is simple. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. You'll have your watch looking brand new in no time. What we like. This band is constructed from military ballistic nylon, offering exceptional durability. It's specifically designed for various G-Shock models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you like a rugged and tough band for your G-Shock, this band is an ideal choice. What people say. The band is an exact fit for the watch. The band is a perfect replacement. The band is exactly what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.